Okay, I will cut this video, we'll see what will gonna happen. Here's the thing. I will take you now into my account, on my eBay account, and I will show you how inside the eBay account I will open, you will see $6,000 I made in my first 3 weeks on eBay. Brand new account, okay? And then I will share with you a strategy. You can replicate that strategy and make whatever you want, okay? Because this is so simple. Nobody is teaching that, I know, and I'm sharing the strategy that makes magic and miracles. And take a look at my account first, okay? And then I will show you on the screen exactly what I mean and what is the strategy I'm implementing to creating the crazy results as I am about to show you right now. Before I'm explaining in the strategy, I want to bring you over to my account and show you what you can do with a brand new account as I am doing. For those who follow me, you know, from June 1st. Today is June 25th, okay? I started brand new account June 1st. Let's go and take a look what's happening inside my account. How this strategy 3 times 0 can absolutely change all dropshipping for you. You see what you see. Okay, so again, this is new account. I started new. For those who don't know, what I'm showing on this screen is my brand new account. I started June 1st. Now you can see on my computer desk it's June 25. It makes what? It makes about a little bit more than 3 weeks. Started from zero. Go back and review my previous videos. There is when I got a zero sold, and now I did some job in this is just a very short update and just to show you how it goes in reality. Okay, so today I got 10 sales, or I mean, well, what today? Well, this morning, right? Because it's just lunchtime right now. I'm expecting about maybe 10 more sales at the evening, because usually I'm located in the West Coast, which is the time zone. For those who are on the different time zones, you can consider that the most sales happening in America in the morning and in the evenings. American morning and American evenings, okay? 134 sales so far, right? So it's I would say it's pretty good. Okay, so again, you can do the same if you follow certain things in a certain way. First, you have to start with the right products. Okay, you have to have right settings on your eBay account. Okay, you have to do this exactly what to do. You don't have to list 5 items per day, you don't have to list 10 items per day, but there's a certain amount of items you have to list in a certain categories for the certain price if you want to reach results like this. I've just followed the $7.99 tactic. This method aligns with the eBay's requirements. What is that they want to see buyers are doing, especially the new, the sellers, the new sellers, what they shall do. It's everything step by step, day by day. What I teach in $7.99, the same I'm implementing right here, and that's how I grow those results. So for those who haven't seen the previous videos, go back, you can find in a program. And the next update will gonna be on 1st July. Okay, so that will be kind of like, we'll see how much I will gonna make it here. Another thing, very important thing. Remember, please, guys, now it's June 25. It's midsummer. Very quiet time. Later on, started from August, you will have more and more and more sales coming in by daily. Okay, so what is this freaking 3 times 0 strategy? What allows you to make hundreds of sales even in the first months and make even profits, hundreds of dollars of profits in a day? Well, it's a very tricky thing, but you can do this. This is the good news. You can do this. I will try to explain. You see, this guy, what he is doing, he have a lot of traffic here. Because he got a lot of traffic, he got a lot of watchers, he got a lot of sales here, and you see those watchers and stuff like this. It's pretty good, pretty active account. This is amazing. 109 watching. It's amazing result actually, you know. So, but the good news is you can do the same. I will explain to you how you can do the same stuff. And by the way, if you realize already, let me just show you something here. You see, this is not the veteran. It's not the veteran seller at all. Okay, he is kind of like just started out very good, very proper way, and he knows what he is doing. Okay, but here's the thing: you can do the same, exactly the same thing, if you do things properly by implementing the formula 3 times 0. What the 3 times 0 is? Very simple. I'm not gonna go in details. Again, in details, it's explained in my 799 course, but here is the blueprint for you. You can do it. You just start it right now. I don't know what this item is. Freaking weird item. I need something. Let me go back and find something what I can realize. That's some simple item. Simple item. Okay, this chair. Okay, it's nice chair. Okay, sold twice. Whatever. Here is the. It's not so important about the item as it is. No, let me just give you. Actually, we can do this something more. I want to see if he's selling something up till $20. Yeah. Here it is. You see? Here it is. But he didn't sold anything yet. Okay. I don't know what it costs on Amazon. I don't know. I know he's dropshipping from Amazon. That's what I know. But here's the thing. What you do? You see, 3 times 0. What it means? How you can make those crazy sales? How you can make those crazy profits later on? Okay, how you can make eBay, how you can force or twist eBay's hand to raise your limits, even if you are international. This is the trick. You go and find out on Amazon this product. Okay, this product, just for example, on Amazon costs $5. All right. So $5 on Amazon. Normally we calculate, yeah, okay, $5 on Amazon, I can make some money here. I can sell for $9.99. Cool. Okay, so that would be in the normal strategy. But in this case, if you want to escalate and to just run ahead to everybody else, you find out on Amazon this costs $5 and you sell this for no profit 3 times. No profit 3 times. You calculate, you do your math. You calculate the eBay fees, the PayPal fees, the taxes perhaps, okay? To break even 3 times. First 3 sales you have to do this 3 times. This is, guys, this is the magic formula. This is how it works. What happening is there is actually kind of like a how can I sell this? Signs of selling, signs to getting rich. Okay, if you can do this 3 times, you will gonna leverage eBay for your own benefit. eBay will gonna start promote you and drive traffic as crazy to yourself. That's why this guy, you can get the same traffic as you see. Go back. You see, he got pretty good engagement here. Okay, when you got eBay's watchers, you got sales. Did you get me now? I hope you understand that this is really important. This is how you can make as crazy as you want your sales. Okay, so I told you it's very simple. You have no tools, no paid tools to involve, nothing. No need to waste money on the promoted listings and stuff like that. But those watchers, those sales, those watchers here, 62 watchers here, and all those things, crazy things, what you can do is if you just implement right product in a right way. Guys, how do you think I made those 130 more sales in the first 3 weeks and got rise from eBay twice without asking even? Just by doing exactly the same thing what I'm teaching to you, 3 times 0. Okay, you implement 3 times 0 tactic, that's it. Okay, so I hope this video helps you. And again, this is kind of like, I just tried to explain you shortly and very briefly what it is. If you want in a detail, step by step, it's all in my 799 course. But try this.
You just try this, okay? Okay, cool. See you on the next video, guys. Bye-bye.